Good day, my dear students. For today, we're going to discuss the types of sandwiches. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the different sandwiches, classify each sandwich as to hot or cold sandwiches, distinguish each sandwich correctly, and appreciate the importance of sandwiches in the meal. Types of sandwiches. Okay, but before we proceed with the types of sandwiches, let us first discuss what is a sandwich. A sandwich is a food typically consisting of vegetables, sliced cheese or meat, placed on or between slices of bread. The sandwich started as a portable finger food in Western world. So as you can see, a sandwich has three components. It has its fillings, moistening agent or spread, and the bread or its base. There are two classifications of sandwich. The first one is the cold sandwiches, and the other one is a hot sandwiches. So what is a cold sandwiches? Cold sandwich is a plain sandwich made up of bread, preferably a day-old bread, toasted if desired, and on which butter can be readily spread. It consists of cold fillings, while hot sandwich consists of hot fillings, usually meats but sometimes fish, grilled vegetables or other hot items between two slices of bread. And take note of this, it consists of hot fillings. So we have different types of cold sandwiches. The first one is the open-face sandwiches. An open-face sandwiches are type of sandwiches similar to canapés, a type of French hors d'oeuvre where make use one kind of bread and have fillings on the top. For the second one, we have the regular cold sandwiches. Regular cold sandwiches are those plain sandwich having two slices of bread spread and filled with a cold filling. We also have pinwheels. Okay, pinwheels are made of flat bread or bread cut into lengthwise, about 3/8 thick. Fresh bread is used because it is easy to roll and will not easily crack. The bread crust should be trimmed and flattened with a rolling pin. Okay, for the part one type of cold sandwiches, we have the tea sandwiches. Okay, tea sandwiches are also referred to as finger sandwich. They are small, fancy sandwiches made from light and delicate ingredients with bread that has been trimmed the crust. This type of sandwich is meant to be eaten in the afternoon, tea time, to stave off hunger until the main meal. Multi-decker sandwiches. Okay, these are composed of more than two slices of bread and with several ingredients in the filling. The club sandwich is a classic example, which have 3 pieces of toasted bread, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and turkey filling. Okay, for number 6, we have the wrap or rolled sandwiches. Okay, they are sandwiches in which the fillings are wrapped like a Mexican burrito. Wrap sandwich is made with a soft flat bread similar with a large flour tortilla rolled around a filling. They may be served whole or cut in half size. Let us now proceed with the different types of hot sandwiches. Okay, the first one is the regular hot sandwich. Okay, they are simple hot sandwiches composed of hot fillings. Hot fillings are usually meat, but sometimes fish, grilled vegetables, or other hot items placed between two slices of bread. Other items that are not hot, like a slice of tomato, cucumber, or onion, are also used. Hamburger is the best example of regular hot sandwich. Second, we have the hat open face sandwich. Okay, they are sandwiches made by placing buttered or unbuttered bread, covering with hot meat or other hot fillings with a gravy, sauce, cheese, or other toppings. Hot open face sandwich is eaten with a knife and a fork. Okay, best example of this is a pizza. Grilled sandwiches. Okay, grilled sandwiches are also called toasted sandwiches. 2 slices of bread with fillings, grilled and then served. These are simple sandwiches that are buttered on the outside and browned on the griddle. It is grilled in a hot oven or in a panini grill. So I have here an example of a griddle and an oven. These are the equipment used in preparing grilled sandwiches. Okay, we also have the deep fried sandwiches for hot sandwich. They are made by dipping sandwiches in beaten egg and sometimes in breadcrumbs and then deep fried. It is any combination of ingredients enclosed by slices of bread, bread rolls or butter before being dipped in oil and cooked until crisp on the outside and warm on the inside. There is a distinction made between a deep fried sandwich and one that has simply been fried in shallow oil. So the best example of this one is the bread roll. Okay, for the last type of hot sandwich, we have the field roast, focaccia, or pita bread. Okay, they are flavored bread served with dips like quesadillas and burritos. These are filled primarily with cheese and sometimes meats and spices and then cooked. So those are the types of hot sandwiches. Thank you for listening and hope to see you all on our next lesson.